try explain. Tell me no why you're none fear stress my brain. Me hex them vex them still a text and still a try fi explain. See me pon the right gal, better take the left lane. Hex a try hex.
Look. Yes. Bring out Casemiro. Oh God, look at that. 84 million Casemiro. Yay. Cheer for him. 84 million Casemiro. Wow. If anybody can do it, we can. We can break this trend. Can break the basically the football attitude we have at Manchester United for the past year I had. Starting today, fam. Starting today. We have Sharp on the bench. Well, I say I start. Sancho, Rashford. We can do this. We can do this, people. We can do this. Press them from early. Keep pressing. Keep pushing. Don't stop running till you drop down. Don't stop running till you drop down. Don't stop running till you drop down. And when you drop down, keep on running. Keep on running. Keep on running, people. Liverpool desperate as well because they only get 2 points this season. And them midfield are freak and midfield not good. Remember? Thiago injured. Nunes gone. Nunes out for next 3 game. Not for injury because of a red card. Keita not playing because him have him contractual issue him a deal with at Liverpool. Them not pay them ball as him a free ref. You understand? So my vicious to but Manchester United is just a problem side, dog. That's a problem. You get on him. Yes. Ref! A penalty that. Ref, come on, man. A penalty that. Salah, just scoop one up just for fun night. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fucking hell! Chipenia! Let's suck on the water. Oh my god! So suck your mama. Ay. Fucking ay. Fucking ay. Let's go. Watch it pass. Move, pussy. Move. Watch out. Suck yourself. Sancho! Bumble. Dive out. Watch out. Post hole. She goal there. Say goal there. Bumble. Good goal, man. Casemiro come from Real Madrid. And the man come from Real Madrid because he achieve everything he wants at Real Madrid. At Real Madrid, and he want to achieve with Man United. Fine. Casemiro have more motivation than him. He can go on, man. He can left. Even if he's the pundit them, I'll be a freaking them company dog. When I'm busy with them, I'll be chat, phone them chatting time I come from Man TV talk about my side. You understand? Me will tell you about my side. You don't tell me about my side. Me tell you about my side. Cause suck your blood, not tell. Yeah. Man facing the dog. Thank God for the butcher, you know. Yo, the butcher body, you know. The butcher body. It's not about, oh, man, 5'9". Man, 5'9". Look there. I him set up a goal line and block the goal, you know. Cause Bruno kick the ball line, man, then goal, you know, dog. Me bum buckle, I check. Move, pussy. Move. Move. Kicks out now. Kicks out. Fast. Well done. Whoa. Rich Post Sports. Big man, Rich Post Sports. Draw for Arsenal 0-3 win. Big things are going. Gunners and Jesus are shining. Yo, man, like Gunners look good. But that's how Gunners look all the while. Year before, not last year, but year before last year, them play good for the first 5 seasons and then boom, them say, oh, we're going to the league, get them to 4. Nothing. Last year, them play bad for the first 3 games, then they start winning. Them are make top 4, 5th. Arsenal have bamboo fire, party. Bamboo fire. Since move your bumbo clap. Take him on. Oh, fall him. Get him. Move your bumbo while I'm going. Oh. You're outside. My side. You fucking outside. You're outside. You're outside. No, you're outside. Oh shit! I'm outside. No. We are gonna check. Oh fuck, we are gonna check. You have your outside. See, you have your outside. Yes, the Ross, you're outside. Bumbo man outside. Got him outside. Fucking outside. Oh well, okay, it's okay, actually, it's okay. Come on, bring him. Yes! Oh! Yes! Fuck yes! Rashford with the assist. I first time see him play football from me know him. The first time me see him play football from me know him. The man, him finally start tackle, he finally start pass the ball, right? And he make the decisive pass, forget Elanga the first chance, you know. So well, that's what I'm saying.
That doesn't fill me with trepidation and feel say Arsenal can't make the top 4. When last season we lose our first 3 games, this season we win our first 3 games. We have Gabriel Jesus, Zinchenko, William Saliba, Odegaard, the whole team more experience from the experiences of last year. Arteta with a bona fide contract now at the helm. Oh, you mean? The team is playing. Why should I believe them not gonna come top 4? Why not? Them have the ability. Trust me.
Arteta is shit, Parry. Arteta is complete shit. Arteta is complete shit. And you know that for a fact.
You see, that's one of the problem, you know, me I find.
Pack 6 is our 6-pack, meaning have a 6-pack of liquor and watch games. And watch the games throughout the weekend and talk about it. So you do a preview of the games ahead of time, and then do a preview of the games at the end. So
season when he was shining. Mr. Klopp will have a bag of questions to answer. If this game
me can't wait say, oh, the grass too high or the field too short. That's what I say last time, you know.
The hunger, they've just by a point in 2 seasons missed out. Surely they can. More trouble. I've not seen one proper Liverpool attack since me I watched this game.
Chano, ain't that sure that I can't forgive man the ball. Let's pass the game. Just pass the game right there. So let's give it. Give no. Chano Star. No, I don't think so. I don't
You don't
think
think
so.
so?
I think the game. I'm watching Manchester United play now, and yes,
Yes.
they're playing very well, and I'm hoping that they have turned it away. Fucking score.